voices rising in the wind, songs of the prophets calling I from within.